Right, we'll load another one for you, since you guys are actually watching this, which I'm kind of surprised. But if you watch this one, tell me what you want me to do next, like make anything or do anything that, you know, I can probably do with homemade shit, cheap homemade shit, you know. Because, like, really, I'm getting this shit basically free, like, well, not really free, but, like, it's pretty cheap, like, sparklers maybe $2 or something, like. See, now we just watch that go, and then we're just gonna wait and see, because I don't know if this will actually work. Apparently not. Okay, so yes, set fire to this. Keep setting fire to that. There we go, mate. Right, it's gonna go. Fucking hell, cat. Fuck. Look at that. That's the best explosion ever. Let's look at that damage. Oh, it's a bit hot, mate. Yeah, we'll just put it in here. Oh, I'm just touching all the flames. Alright, look. That is what we call a banger's engagement, as my mum would say anyway. But, fuck, I was not expecting that. That is amazing. Comment what you want me to do next, cunt. What you want me to do next.